Hello, my name is Professor Covell Road, and I'm the Head of Education for the School of Imaging Sciences and Biomedical Engineering, which is one of the schools in the Faculty of Life Sciences and Medicine at King's College, London. Today I'm going to be briefly telling you about one of our new MSc programs called Healthcare Technologies. Healthcare systems are under a lot of pressure throughout the world. Some of the issues that we're facing are caused by a number of factors, such as the aging population. This is because the number of people who are older than a certain age is increasing, largely due to our success in managing disease and maintaining well-being. Because the number of people who are elderly is increasing over time, this means that there is more disease present. In other words, the burden of disease is increasing. However, we don't have resources to manage this increasing burden of disease. This trend is likely to continue in the foreseeable future. There's limited per capita money to deal with healthcare, and also certainly increasing healthcare staff is not a viable economical solution. Therefore, technology is one of the major possible solutions to help to solve these problems. The new MSc course at King's, called Healthcare Technologies, focuses on how technology is taken from a concept all the way into a product that is deployed in the clinical healthcare environment. MSc programs are one-year programs, and they run from September to August. There is a 3-semester system, and for this MSc, you will be doing a mixture of project work and taught modules, mainly taught modules in semesters 1 and 2, and project work in semester 3. We are focusing on some of the key technologies that are going to have the most influence in societal well-being in the coming years. The course is focused on developing transferable skills in students and therefore increasing student employability or maximizing students' ability to go on for further education, for example, a PhD. The development of healthcare technology is a multidisciplinary effort, and therefore this degree is suitable for graduates from many different backgrounds, including biomedical engineering and also other types of engineering, but also mathematics, computer science, physics, chemistry, biomedical science, and medicine. We are especially looking for students that are motivated and want to use the knowledge and skills that they've already acquired in their undergraduate courses and apply these to solving challenging healthcare problems. The School of Biomedical Engineering and Imaging Sciences is one of the largest biomedical engineering schools in the world, and we have over 600 staff employed to carry out research and education. We are supported by a large array of facilities, which include laboratories, imaging equipment, workshops, and most importantly, we are based at St. Thomas's Hospital in London, which is one of the campuses of King's College London. This is a unique setting for a biomedical engineering department, and it allows us to work very closely with the clinical teams at St. Thomas's and our other allied hospitals to take our research concepts and develop them and deploy them into the clinical environment. We also work very closely with many industrial partners, large-scale companies such as Philips, Siemens, GE, but also smaller companies and also incubator companies. The course is focused on skills development, and for that reason, all the modules are at least 50% non-classroom based teaching. In other words, 50% practical work, either using computers and developing software or working in a laboratory to develop new tracer molecules or new types of robot and so forth. The research projects that are on offer are real-world research projects that are currently taking place within the school, and this gives a chance for the students on the course to experience the real-world research environment, but also to be involved in projects that are likely to have some output and some impact. We're focusing on 4 areas, namely artificial intelligence, medical imaging, medical robotics, and smart molecules. These areas are areas of strength within the school, but also these are areas which are buzz areas in healthcare technology, rapidly developing and most likely to have significant impact in the near future. The course is divided into a number of taught modules, and these are shown in the first 4 rows of this slide, and some core modules which are shown on the bottom row. The core modules include a group research project, which is carried out in semesters 1 and 2, and an individual research project, which is carried out in semester 3. The group research project will give students a chance to work in multidisciplinary teams and solve challenging healthcare technology problems. The individual project allows students to develop their abilities as independent researchers, but also working in a larger research team. The critical skills module helps to develop students' research skills and also to develop students' understanding of how technology goes from a concept all the way into the clinic in a hospital or other healthcare environment. We have a range of taught modules shown in the first 4 rows, and students are advised to take particular combinations of these modules so that they fulfill the requirements of each of the pathways, namely artificial intelligence, medical robotics, medical imaging, and smart molecules. Students taking the course as an MSc are required to do 5 optional modules, and students taking the course as a Masters of Research will take 4 optional modules and have a slightly longer group project. We have chosen the areas of artificial intelligence, medical imaging, medical robotics, and smart molecules, in other words, tracer molecules, because these areas are rapidly growing and research is very active in these areas, and therefore it's likely that there will be good possibility for employment and also further research and study. In order to apply for the course, you must have the appropriate background. One of the types of undergraduate degrees that I've already mentioned, and we require a classification that's equivalent to a 2-1 degree. You can apply via the King's website, and there's more information on the more precise information on the module content. Also, I'm happy to answer questions, and you can get in touch with me via my email address, covell.road@kcl.ac.uk. Thank you for listening to this short webinar on our new Healthcare Technologies program.